Welcome to the video on how to search and enroll in a course. Click on Enroll. Click on Search at the bottom of the page. Under Subject, input the subject you would like to search. If you have a specific course in mind, input the rest of the course code. Click on Search. Courses can be divided into different components. The lecture always appears first. Many sections of the same course may be offered. The day of the week, the time, the classroom might be different between sections. Make sure there are seats available for you in the section that you choose. Seats are reserved for various programs and types of students for one class. It is possible that a course is still open, but that no more seats are available to you. Select the section of the course that is available to you. Other components like labs may be required. Be sure to choose a section that is open. When all your choices are made, you can add the course to your cart by clicking Next. Warning: you are not yet registered to the course in your cart. To continue the process, scroll down and click on Proceed to Step 2 of 3. Welcome to the last step. Click on Finish Enrolling to complete the process. A green check mark means you've enrolled successfully. A red X means you were unsuccessful. If you understand the error message, remove the course from your shopping cart and choose a different course or a different section. To continue, return to Student Center at the top of the page. You can view your schedule by clicking on Weekly Schedule. Make sure you enter a week that is during the time when the course is being offered. Head back to your Student Center. Repeat the steps in this video to enroll in all of your courses for the fall. Don't forget to register for winter as well. Good luck!